I'm still at the city market kind of place, and it's going to make another quick video here of the traffic, consumer activity. There was a near miss on a bike and a pedestrian. Now he's laying on his horn. From the previous video, this dude's still trying to figure out which goldfish he wants to buy. The motorbike pressing his way through the action. This guy here selling like binoculars, flashlights. Somebody else just made a purchase of a couple bunny rabbits. There's a lady with an umbrella with doesn't want to get the sunshine on her. It was kind of sprinkling rain and overcast earlier. That's ended, and now the umbrellas are out everywhere. This dude here hauling like some kind of a propane. And there's a car right behind this guy selling fruit and vegetables. He's getting pissed off because the guy won't move out of his way. He still hasn't moved out of his way. He'll honk again, give it time. He won't be able to help himself, he'll honk again. No honk yet. I hope the bouncing isn't too bad on these videos. I'm trying to hold the camera as still as I can, but there's another guy selling fruit and stuff, hauling it on a bicycle. Oh, this guy got all patient all of a sudden. He's knocked off the horn. Oh, there he is. Definitely see a lot of these tobacco pipes for sale here. A whole bunch of them. He honked again. Another lady selling some kind of a vegetable. Oh, those are cooked potatoes. Those are actually, those sound pretty tasty right now. Oh, I see a tourist, finally. I'm not alone here. So this is just about the end of this street here. I see a couple more tourists. Right here. Now we're going deep into the forest here. This dude here selling some kind of selling rice like right in the middle of this market. Another lady selling some kind of fruit, little miniature apples. Some tea. Some of that tea looks like marijuana. Some cool paintings. Like, I don't know if that's silk or what that is. It's again, if it's slowing down here, there sure as hell aren't any signs of it in this place. This place is jam-packed, literally jammed. Like swords. I don't think they'd let me. I don't think they'd be real thrilled about me packing a sword on the plane back home. The big water pipe back there is marked at 880 yuan. So realistically, you could probably get it for about 400 or 500. So that's 70, 80 bucks. 60, 70, maybe 80 bucks tops. Like a DJ setup. A lot of binoculars, that type of thing, Zippo lighters. Again, undoubtedly knockoff. This dude here is like watering his birds. This guy here is trying to push his way. Got these two little birds on a stick. Oh, he's on my shoulder. 谢谢. He probably plays with those birds all day long. So anyway, I'm back out here on the main street where I was at with the car honking the horn. So that's it for this one. Econ Cat 88 signing off. Kunming, China. 再见.